Hey, what's up guys? A little bit different video for today. I made a couple of passes this past Friday at Clarksville Speedway, and the passes didn't go so well. I was working on some tuning with the car and figuring out what it likes and what it doesn't like, and I obviously got spoiled by the prep done at Huntsville. I'm not knocking Clarksville at all, but the prep there on a Friday night is more for a slick type car and not so much a high horsepower radio car. So I got a little spoiled in Huntsville. I had to tone myself back down whenever I got out there on Clarksville and kind of get back to my roots of getting the car to work on a surface that isn't quite as sticky as would be ideal for a radial. Doing a little bit of learning, just trying to figure out some things, go certain ways with the suspension, see if they work. If they don't, bring it back. Just making little changes to see how the car reacts. And I learned a lot. I didn't really make any personal best passes or anything like that. I did go the fastest I've ever been on Clarksville Speedway, actually. So that was good. But the car was pretty sketchy. It was spinning. It just wasn't good. I had a lot of power in the car, but it didn't ET as well as it should have for the power I had in it. So with that being said, guys, here's those clips from the other night. I hope you enjoy them. And I will see you guys whenever we go racing next.